Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we talk about the Cardano price, the price is okay in the Cardano. In this video I'm specially talking about the biggest mistake of Cardano holder at this time, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from yourself from loss, friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from more loss, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please I'm requesting all of you, please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. Thank you so much. A lot of people not subscribing my channel, so please I request you to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. Now friends, the currently at this time price of the Cardano Ada is 1.77 USD dollar, friends. And if you look the price change okay in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, friends, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, 1 week the changes as positive, friends. That's mean that the best change, the positive change occur in the Cardano Ada and the previous time, friends. But now unfortunately the last 1 hour price change is going negative, friends. Let's see for more details the price chart at this time for the better understanding. As you can see here, if we look the last 1 hour price change is absolutely fast down, friends. That is why a lot of people ask me, and a lot of holders do a biggest mistake on also on this point and also on this point, friends, and also on this point, friends. When the holders see a small fast start in the Cardano Ada, so they want to sell his coin at this time, friends. Absolutely, that's not the best way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. If you follow, so as you can see here, you can't make money. As you can see here, at this time, friends, after this fast, they also taken a high jump, and same like that after this fast, they also taken a high jump. So you have to understand the cryptocurrencies market, the nature of the cryptocurrencies market, that what's the nature of the market at this time, friends, and what we expect from the Cardano Ada in the next, friends. So friends, don't do this mistake. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price change, as I show you in the on the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change is again negative, friends. So a lot of people again are doing this mistake, so please be safe from those and don't do this mistake at this time, friends. Don't say Cardano Ada at this time, friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price change occur in the Cardano, so the last only price change is about positive 9.54%, and the highest price of the Cardano is 1.82 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano. So what's the next target of the Cardano? My prediction is that as you can see here, at this time, friends, after this fast taken a high jump. Same like that if we look the previous period, so as you can see here, after a fast they take a high jump. So same process occur at this time, friends. And now as you can see at the last 1 hour price jump, it's time to fast, and after this fast they again take a jump, friends. That's my prediction. Now the big pump in coming soon in the Cardano, so wait for it and enjoy this pump. Make sure please click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much. See you in next video.